Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and trick. This is part two on this macro, this size shower. Eskimo must have watched my video and he actually told me how to do some things to set the decimal places the same as Corel. And I couldn't figure it out, but if you go right here and click in your text box in this width and right click and you can change the decimal places to 2, but you have to do them both. Something has to be selected and then click on the other one and put it to 2. And this is where you can change it from inches to millimeters. See, that one's now in millimeters, so you can change it. I want to put it back to inches because that's where I want it. So if you look, we're at 415, 415, 602, 602. And that's not that big a deal. But if you wanted to measure what all this is, and if you saw part 1, this is 1645 across and 1299 up and down. So it's a pretty cool macro. And if you go back to part 1, you can get the macro is at the bottom of the video. Anyway, so I thank Mr. Eskimo and hope that helps somebody someday. And thank you for watching.